So we are back at Cotton Way in Coventry and everything is almost done now. So the plan, as usual, is to do a snagging video, take preliminary marketing pictures and videos, get the ads going, and then come back once all the snagging's been done properly, and then take the final marketing pictures and videos, during which time it should have been late anyway. Okay, so first things first, we need to put a mirror here. That's been done. Okay. And so we need to give this a deep clean as well. That just needs to be cleaned. That's good. Yeah, paint's good. Okay, so obviously that paint needs to be cleaned off around there as well. That's fuses on. That just needs sealing off. Same as that. That's probably just paint. Door stop is fine. Quite handy actually. So basically all the light switches need sealing off properly. That just needs a touch of paint because it's quite visible. So into the kitchen. It's nice that the floor matches. So the cabinets are new, door handles are new, and that's also new. That's quite good. We had to replace the other one in the end because it was too grotty, and this wouldn't close. That's been painted, that is good. Paint needs to be removed from there. We'd have put blinds here, so this is not, it's not the end of the world. Obviously, along here, all the paint needs to be removed. That needs to be cleaned. This silicone needs to be removed and then resealed. All that silicone again needs to be done. All this just needs to be cleaned, potentially be regrouted, but we'll see once it's cleaned. This needs to be cleaned. Yeah, we just have to clean it. We'll leave it there for the tenant. Also, the deep cleaning there, but that's not for the builders. Okay, that's okay. Paint, that just needs another touch of paint. Normally around the edges, that's fine. That's fine. New alarm, new detectors. That's fine. Door shuts fine. New windows as well. That's fine. That's been repainted. Just the usual around there. That's fine. Fine. This wasn't touched. There's curtain poles along there. These just need to be cleaned really, but I think that's more of a job for a cleaner. And then the fence has been purchased, so that needs to be put up. Fence of the cars coming to collect all that, and the washing machine. I do need to make sure that that leak, that downpipe is sorted out there. That's okay. Oh, that's okay. Yeah, thanks, Bill. Carpets are in. Sides are okay. So normally there's always an issue with the carpet and the paint. That seems okay. It's okay. So that just needs to be cleaned really, because that'll get picked up by the tenant. Doors are fine, windows are fine. That's been painted, which is nice. That's been done as well. Just some smudges here need to be wiped off. Everything else is fine. Okay. Let's do. The bathroom, I think we're going to need to paint that. Apparently this system, there's a leak in it, it's quite old, so that needs to be replaced. That needs to be painted really, that doesn't look right. And then this paintwork needs to be touched up. So that just needs to be painted white. Ooh, that's not good. This is just going to get booted, so really we need something a bit stronger here. Let's go down, because that's going to leak. Don't touch. Okay, come on. Just stuff like that needs to be cleaned up. Along there. That's all fine. See, that needs to be tested. Just looking for places that can leak really. Paint needs to be scraped off. Let's just pull it up something. That needs to be touched up. Otherwise, that's okay. So that's been taken apart and cleaned. Obviously that paint needs to be removed. This needs to be replaced really, so it's broken. Just needs sealing up there, and that just need painting as well.